If you have problems with your door handle presenting itself on a Tesla Model S, this video is for you. Super, super easy fix to open the door if it's not presenting. So here's the case right here. So I'll press this door handle and you can see this one extends out and this one does not extend out. You see that? So there's nothing to grab. This is the only door handle that does this. And this will work for every Tesla Model S. It's works the same on all of them. And I'll have a full video on how to fix this properly. Often these door handles, you can just change the wiring in them or repair the wiring in them and they'll start presenting themselves again. I actually already have a video on the channel on another car that I did that too. Super easy fix, but I'll do it to this car as well soon. And the way you open this door is you just push it and the whole thing pops open like that. Super, super easy. Sometimes it doesn't present all the way. It doesn't pop out all the way. So you have to grab with your second hand here. Be careful not to pull this trim off. In this case, this trim has popped off a few times. But basically you just push as hard as you would to get the doors to present themselves normally, and the door will open up just like that. Super easy. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and leave a comment below maybe.